Text to column wizard allows us to take data that is included in one cell and split it out over multiple cells based on a delimiter, such as a comma or a space. It is a useful function when you need to extract one parameter from a text that is in one cell. If we look at an example here, we have the naming convention of a series of bonds. Decimal at the start is the percentage that the bond yields. The text in the middle is the country of the bond, and this number at the end represents the maturity date of the bond. What we want to do is extract the percentage from the bond itself and then using the text to columns wizard. So we can do this by selecting that data that we want to split out. We go to Data, and in the Data Tools tab, we select Text to Columns. This will then generate a text to columns wizard. And in the first step, we have to decide what the type of data is. So in this example, we're going to select delimited because our data is space that is separated by spaces, and that's what we want our data split out by, is where there's a space, we want the data split out. So there we select delimited. Here we specify how we want the data split out, and like we said, we want it to click space. And here we'll get a preview at the bottom where we can see that the decimal is in its own column. And then in the third wizard, it'll allow us to select what format we want returned. Initially here, we're just going to select general, and then we click finish. And you can see here, this returns a series of data with 5 columns split out by where there was a space. And in this column C, we now have the percentage of the bond. And if we format that to be a percentage, we can instantly see the percentage of each bond.